Hey everyone, if you want to create talking photos in HeyGen in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn a normal picture into a realistic talking video step by step. First, sign into your HeyGen account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account to get started. Next, go to your dashboard and select Photo to Video. Yeah, this tool is designed specifically for creating talking photos. Now upload the image you want to animate. I mean, clear, front-facing photos usually produce the best results. Type or paste the text you want the photo to say, so HeyGen will convert the text into speech automatically. Next, select a voice from the voice library. Yeah, you can choose different languages, accents, and speaking styles. If you prefer, you can upload your own voice recording instead of using AI voices. This creates a more personalized result. Before generating the video, review the script and voice settings. I mean, making small adjustments now can improve the final output. When everything is ready, click Generate. So HeyGen will animate the face and synchronize the voice automatically. Once the video is ready, play the preview and check the lip sync and voice quality. Yeah, you can always regenerate the video if needed. Finally, click Download to save the video to your device. You can share it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other social media platforms. For the most realistic videos, use high-resolution photos with good lighting and a clear view of the face. I mean, better source images usually create better animations, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to create talking photos in HeyGen in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.